Hi all, this is the part 2 of Recycler View series. In this part, we will learn how to make a adapter class for our Recycler View. So, I am going to create a package here. Let's say adapter, and inside this package, I will create a Java class. Let's say Recycler View adapter. Now this adapter class extend the Recycler View adapter. It will take two parameters. First is view, second is holder. So let's create a view holder class first. So private static class, let's say recycler view holder. Extend view holder. Just right click and generate constructor. Now recycler view adapter dot our view holder class. Just implements all the methods. First is on create view holder, second is on bind view holder, third one is get item count. So just click on OK. Now let's take two things here. First is context and second one is our model class list. So here is our model class name is user data. So let's say user data list. Now create a constructor of both of these. So now here get item count, it will return the list of our data size. Let's say user data list dot size, and so first of all we need to create a recycler view row item layout file. So let's create a layout resource file. Let's say recycler view row item. So we have username, description, and the third one is image. So we will design this layout file accordingly. So let's take user image. Second is username. And the third one is description. Now I will add a custom view for making a separator. So let's view wrap content. Let's say 200 dp, and here I will take the height like say 1 dp. So here this is our separator. Let's add the background color. Let's say 16 dp, and I will make the constraint from the right side and set it to match parent, match constraint. So let's set the ID each of the elements. Let's say user image, username, and the third one is user description. Now I will set the constraint layout to layout height is wrap content. So our layout file is ready. We will add this layout file in recycler view holder. So view equal to layout inflator dot, from context we will take the context, from the context dot inflate r dot layout dot recycler view item. Here we will take the parent and false, and it will return the new view holder. New recycler view holder, and we will pass the view inside the recycler view. So here we will take our layout files elements, like first is image view and text view. Item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot user image. Similarly for text view, user name, and third one is user description. Now we will set all of these inside the onBind view holder. So holder dot username dot set text, user data list dot get of item position dot get username. Similarly goes for the user description, get user description, and the third one is here user description, and the third one is image. So for image holder dot user image or set image resources, get position dot get image URL. So here our adapter class is ready. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.